Pew, pew, pew.
Pew pews.
Welcome to Pure Octane Garage.
We bring you detailing information.
And other automotive goodness.
And I think there's some detailing automotive goodness in this box.
Yeah.
But first, we would appreciate if you guys would consider liking, subscribing, ringing the notification bell, sharing with your friends, and checking out the merch if you're interested. We got some of that stuff in the link below in the description.
That's
right?
correct, sir.
Okay. Thought so.
Oh, yes, that's correct, Brandon.
Oh, yeah. What was your
I'm
name
Ryan.
again? That's right. Okay. Because you didn't know us yet, now you do. Okay.
Yeah. Hey, you know, we get a lot of new viewers, and we, got to remember to introduce ourselves to
And
them.
you're going to share with all the people that don't know
And
us,
the
right?
sun's coming back, so it's brightening up in here.
We're going to get really bright because
Yeah.
we don't have automatic correction on the camera.
Yeah, if this is your first time watching one of our silly videos, none of this is scripted, and we're actually in a garage.
And we use a lot of daylight to record these.
Yeah, we don't
a little
have
bit of artificial light.
We don't have a budget for fancy lights and things.
Not
Good grief.
yet.
But we do have this awesome box from
None other than...
I was gonna lift the box, but it's really
It's
heavy.
heavy.
Dude,
You guys read that?
it is. That's
It's
heavy.
turtle wax.
Yeah, you probably didn't even read that.
It says, you asked, turtle wax answered. And we did ask. We were invited to their event again, showcasing their new 2022 products. Was that a couple weeks ago?
Yes.
So we've had this boxed up, and we figured, why not another quick unboxing video, guys? You guys, a quick unboxing video for you guys.
Yes.
Because you like them, right?
Unboxing's fun.
So we'll just open this up, briefly talk about all these products. And there's a lot of stuff in here. And kind of let you know.
Yeah, we'll let
see
you
them.
know. And it's kind of like an automatic preview of what's to come on the Pure Octane Garage channel.
We've discussed, we know what's in here because we watched the presentation that they gave us. But we want to share them with you. But we haven't handled them yet, of course.
No, it's still sealed.
Yeah. So, and we've discussed, we're going to use all this new turtle wax stuff and a little bit of the stuff from last year, and we're going to completely detail the vehicle with it coming up.
Yeah.
So stay tuned for that.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to that.
So it'll be some work.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to getting out there and getting it done.
Getting at it. All right, Ryan, open it up.
Actually, I'm going to let you open it up this time.
I get to
because, it's sharp.
Sweet.
I was going to do a drum roll, but I have literally no rhythm.
I cut a little deep.
Whoa, don't cut the product.
It's leaking
It'd
now.
be like leaking everywhere.
This is some nice tape. Yeah, it's like vinyl tape.
Oh, you're right. That is thick tape.
Oh, and notice the front. This side up, fragile.
Fragile.
Oh, what do we got in here?
Whoa, okay. We got a lot going on in here.
Okay. Oh, we got boxes and more stuff. There's a hat.
What?
That's your new hat. You're a turtle wax hat fan.
Look at that subtle logo.
Yeah, the
Love
black on black.
Oh, yeah, check
I like
that.
that.
Out, guys. Pretty
All right,
sweet.
so we'll go ahead and show you this. You got the card, with the little QR code with all the new products listed on there. We'll go over them though. Nice flat brim. Hey, you know what we love about this stuff?
Oh, I
right.
wanted. Oh no, something's
I'm
in
gonna
that
take
one.
this one. Oh, it's our bottles. We like our misters.
Yeah. How is that? Is that tight or?
And guess what? Look.
Oh, because
It's corrected. It's
Turtle
been corrected.
wax.
We had, if you watched our other videos on these new bottles, we had a little bit of leakage with that. So that's good. This is the streak-free mist glass cleaner, inside and out. So we got a misting glass cleaner. Sweet.
I just want to do a quick call out. I mean, Turtle Wax is awesome because they listen to their customers.
That's right. They pay attention.
I mean,
They take
they
good
really
care of
do.
us.
I'm going to grab this.
And we know what that is. We've actually used this product.
Yeah, check out the video. We did a quick little video of this product.
Ours just was the birthday, so 75th.
Yeah, it had a
anniversary.
different lid, but the product itself is the same. So it's the ceramic graphene paste wax.
Yep. So that is now available without the special limited
see.
edition packaging.
Very cool because, it is relaxing to use a paste wax.
I enjoyed putting that on. We did that on the test hood, and that's why I wanted to do the whole vehicle. We're going to use that on a whole vehicle. I'm excited to try it. And now, I've read mixed reviews. I'm kind of curious about, because I wonder, does it really last a year? They say up to a year, maintained correctly, prepped and maintained correctly. That one, I'm like, I want to try it. I want to see, because I've read mixed reviews. Some people on reviews say that lasted a month, but a lot of times A lot of times it's user error. I'm sorry, guys. If it maybe not, but you got to prep correctly, and I think that's huge on how long this stuff lasts.
That's the key. You got to have that foundation.
And Turtle Wax has said a year, and I trust them.
I agree.
So I want to try it and see if we can, hold them to that. So.
And this stuff smells great.
It does. All right, they wrap this stuff very well, guys. So we got more Hybrid Solutions graphene ceramic inside job. Okay, I remember this, but I forgot the name of it since the review.
Yes.
Or since the debut. So ultimate all-in-one interior care for leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber, and more. Clean, protect, and condition, all in one. Right there, guys.
Yeah, and I think we've talked about that in other videos too. We really enjoy these products that are multi-use because it saves time.
Exactly. You get the next one.
I'm gonna grab.
There's more paper product.
Whoa.
We got a sticker.
Hey, we got this really nice vinyl sticker here. Hybrid Solutions Graphene Acrylic Tire Shine Spray Coating.
Ah, yes. I want to try that.
Oh, I remember how they were talking about this. How it just lasts a little longer and you can just kind of reapply it to...
Yeah, you don't have to remove. You can reapply over it, as occasionally.
And it'll bring back that nice
your choice of luster, kind of,
Yeah. See, now personally, and I'm going to speak for you here, Brandon and I both like, a nice black tire, but not glossy, like it's
greasy looking.
Yeah.
To each his own on that.
So
right?
I would apply this and then knock it down a little bit, but yeah. Wow.
And it keeps going. It's red.
Wow, that is
the bottle's red.
That is very red.
Oh, okay. Hey, this is
What is that one?
Hybrid Solutions HyperFoam Wheel Cleaner and Tire Prep. I believe it looks like with the color transition, maybe, does this have the iron remover in it? One of them, I can't remember. Maybe that's a different product. One of them had some iron remover. Well,
to remove the brake dust, right?
Yeah. Powerful deep cleaning foam dissolves brake dust and road contaminants easily. Wheel cleanse, tire cleanse, corrosion repellent polymer. Reduces contaminant buildup, making future cleaning faster and easier. It dissolves brake dust, road grime, and light iron rust deposits. So yes, so
you know what I like?
Iron remover.
You know what I like that they mentioned about that particular product is, you know how you get. In fact, my daily driver has brand new tires on it, and they're brown.
Yeah,
they've browned.
That blooming.
The blooming. They specifically talked about how it pulls that out and it'll eliminate it. It'll clean it.
I wanted to point out too, look, a new child-resistant nozzle for you. Press tab and twist to open.
Come on, guys, you're making it harder for me.
So wait a second. You got to press down to turn it, otherwise it locks.
Oh, interesting.
Just to
wow, yeah, show them that here.
That's kind of tricky, but you got to push down right here, and then you can turn.
Locks it. Now,
and then you can turn it and listen. I don't know if you picked up the audible
I don't know if you can see that.
It's not on the other one.
Compared to the standard one where you can just turn that.
I wonder if that's because of the iron remover. So is it safer to drink the graphene tire dry?
I guess so.
I'm just kidding.
Do not drink it.
Don't do that.
But I'm actually looking forward to using
some
that.
on me.
It smells delicious.
You know what? I'm going to point it out. I was going to wait till we review the product, but they talked about this. Don't smell my finger. No.
I'm not smelling your... Woo!
But it's on my thumb there from doing that.
I'll trust your opinion here.
You know me and iron removers?
Well,
look.
I think most of it...
Okay. It's not that bad, guys.
So what that tells me is...
It's not that bad.
It doesn't smell bad.
It's not like your normal iron remover, overwhelming, rotten, eggy smell. It's tad hint of that, but actually a little bit of fragrance and something in there.
And they did talk about how it's...
toned down a lot.
Yeah, a little easier on the nose,
I hated
right?
that. I hate iron remover smell.
Oh yeah, I don't think there's anybody out there that doesn't.
Yeah, does anybody like it? Let us know.
Yeah, let us know in the comments. And if you do, that's okay. We're not judging.
Something's wrong with you.
All right,
more paper.
And yet another one here. Here we've got the Hybrid Solutions Pro Rapid Decon Technology all-wheel cleaner and iron remover.
Okay, I was confused a little bit of this on the presentation too.
Okay.
This one is a very mild one, if I remember. Oh, mild iron remover. That's you can use that one on your paint too. Helicopter, by the way.
That's a really loud helicopter.
He's low. I feel like we're gonna shake.
Okay, so, you know, good. Thank you for pointing that out because.
Jeez. Is he like landing right here?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys.
So I was confused with that as well.
So, and I was obviously stated incorrectly. I remember this was a very mild iron remover for that brake test. That's one of the pure iron remover.
So is this the one that really?
That's the one that's toned down.
And this one, of course, like Brandon said, is more focused on the wheel itself, right? Where that is,
Tire.
you know, you can hit the tire and the
wheel together.
Now
See,
I'm remembering.
More wheel, and like I said, you can use it on your paint too.
Right.
I'm gonna smell it though. Does it have childproof? Yeah, it's childproof.
Oh yeah, it has like the tip is different.
You know what? In the review, we'll talk about the smell.
Yeah. So stay tuned.
So that information we were talking about on the other bottle,
Like,
apply
subscribe,
that
you know,
to that
kind of thing. Here, let's
A
do
box.
this. Dun, dun, dun.
All right. Boom.
Boom.
So we've got Hybrid Solutions Pro Slick and Slide Pure Wash.
Yep.
Says for your foam sprayer, so cannon or gun, hand wash, or you can use a synthetic clay mitt and wash with this and get your clay step done while you're doing this.
And in fact, that was one of the things that they talked about.
Now, I will say from my research, I've never used the clay mitt when
Neither
washing.
have I.
I know that they do mar a little bit of light scratching, but generally when you clay, we're gonna polish after, right?
Yeah.
So
that's that whole
don't have to.
prepping the surface for a good polish, and then of course protection.
Yeah. So real quick, what we're excited about this one is, I don't know if another video we did the Hybrid Solutions ceramic wash, right? A few years back. A year or two ago almost?
Yeah, almost. Yeah, time flies when you're having fun.
2 years? Yeah. So anyways, that one, not very sudsy for us. Remember, we weren't not that it didn't work, it just did not hold suds. It's kind of like washing with just water.
Exactly. And that was with, softened water, correct?
Yeah. This one, not the same. It doesn't have protection in it. We're not looking for that. This one's just pure sudsing ability, cleaning, breaking down. I'll give you real quick on this. With slick and slide polymers uniquely formulated for incredible foam and amazing cleaning ability without breaking down waxes, sealants, and professional coatings. pH neutral, breaks down road grime, dirt, traffic film with ease, awesome scent. Oh, we love that. And is extremely easy to rinse off. Great lubrication. Doubles as a synthetic clay lubricant in the mechanical decontamination process. Bucket wash, foam sprayer, wash, or clay lube. Says it's a must in your arsenal. So I'm excited to try that.
Yeah, I'm in agreement with that.
Thank you, Turtle Wax, for the 64 ounces.
Yes.
That's nice.
I mean, that's great.
And if we didn't make that clear, Turtle Wax did send this to us on them to check all these products out.
They did. They were kind enough to,
thank you.
To send us this, and we truly do appreciate it.
So with that, stay tuned. Like we said, we're going to put all of these to the test on one vehicle for a pure detail, right?
Yeah.
Is it a Pure Octane detail?
Little mini bike just rode by.
Helicopters, mini bikes. What else have we had?
What else? You know, I mean, I don't know. A parade?
December 26th.
Yeah.
You know, we are filming this on December 26th now that you know that.
But yeah, I'm really, these two are the two that I'm looking forward to the most. I mean, these are all great products.
I am with you. I want to try the other iron remover too.
All these.
Yeah.
I mean, Turtle Wax is really, in my opinion, they're just on point.
Yeah, they got it. We've been very happy with Hybrid Solutions.
Yeah.
So
they're just.
And these are all in that line still, right? It looks like the Pro line or the regular Hybrid Solutions line.
Yeah, the Hybrid Solutions Pro. Well, we've got Pro.
Some are Pro and some are regular, right?
Yeah, but
they all work together.
They do.
So yeah, with that full detail, when we do that, there's a few other products from the Pro line we're going to add in there. The polish, the one and done polish we'll need. And actually, I think that's the only one we'll need to add to this lineup. I think everything else is pretty much covered.
Then, of course, protection afterwards.
We'll use this one.
Oh, right.
I know, your
Yeah,
wax.
hey,
I threw you off. There's no spray bottle.
I just got here, you know what I mean?
But anyways, that's it, guys. All right, we're going to wrap it up.
All right.
Thanks for checking out the unboxing.
Yeah.
And again, remember, we've said it enough. Stay tuned. And
Yeah.
thank you very much, Turtle Wax. We appreciate you.
And with that, we'll see you in the next video.
Later, guys, as I kick the stool under here.
Bye.
Don't worry, it's not a person. All right, later, guys.
Yeah, what's the 5 mean?
5, you know what that means? High five.
That was weird.
Dropped my postcard, man.